Looking for a faster way to bulk edit your WooCommerce products or WordPress content? Setary is a cloud-based spreadsheet editor that syncs to your WordPress site. It's built for WooCommerce, handling everything from prices and stock levels to categories, attributes, and variations, but it also works with posts, pages, media, and any custom post type. You connect it with a free plugin from the WordPress plugin directory, and your content loads into an editable spreadsheet instantly. With Setary, you can edit things like prices, stock levels, descriptions, and categories, all inline, no page reloading, and no back and forth, just smooth, spreadsheet-style editing. Need to update prices across the whole category? Sort or filter by category, select the rows, and adjust prices by a set amount or a percentage. Changes sync back to your store automatically with no CSV imports or exports needed. Variations are fully supported too. Each variation loads as its own editable row, so updating prices or stock across dozens of variations takes a fraction of the time. And there's an AI feature that can generate product descriptions, which is handy when adding lots of new products. Filters, sorting, and saved views make it easy to find exactly what you need. There's an undo feature if you make a mistake. Nothing goes live until you hit save. Setary also works beyond WooCommerce. It can bulk edit your WordPress posts, pages, media, and any custom post type on your site, including custom fields from third-party plugins. Multi-store owners can manage several WooCommerce or WordPress sites from a single dashboard, and team members can be invited to collaborate with real-time cloud-based editing to keep everyone in sync. Start your free trial today by visiting setary.com or by clicking the link in the description below. The Setary plugin is also available for free from the WordPress plugin directory.